In this video, you'll learn how to add or delete fields in Mailchimp. By the end of this guide, you will have a better understanding of managing audience fields effectively. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage, open your web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you should see the Mailchimp dashboard, which includes various sections like campaigns, audience, and reports. Next, locate and click on the audience option found in the left-hand menu. This action will direct you to the section where you can manage your audience details. You will see a list of your audience settings and options related to audience settings. After that, find the three dots icon, usually located next to your audience name. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu that provides additional options for your audience. Ensure that the menu appears before proceeding. Once this appears, select audience settings from the drop-down options. This will take you to a new screen where you can modify various settings related to your audience, including fields and merge. Now click on Edit Audience Fields. This option allows you to view and manage the fields associated with your audience. You should see a list of existing fields along with options to add or delete fields. To create a new field, click on Create a New Field. A prompt will appear asking you to define the new field's attributes. This is the first step in adding a customized field to your audience. Next, click on the field name area. This will allow you to enter a name for your new field. Ensure that the name is descriptive and relevant to the information you wish to collect. Type in your field name in the provided text box. This is the label that will be displayed within your audience settings and on any forms where this field is used. Then, click on Data Type to select the type of data that this field will collect. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting various options such as text, number, or date. Select text from the drop-down menu. This choice indicates that the field will accept textual input from your audience members. Next, click on Merge Tag. This step allows you to define a unique merge tag for the field, which can be used in your email campaigns and automation. Type in your merge text in the corresponding field. This merge tag will be referenced whenever you want to personalize your communications with audience members. Now click on Default Merge Tag Value. This option allows you to set a default value for the field if no data is provided by the audience member. Type in a merge tag value. This value will be used as the default when no specific input is given by the user. Next, you will see an option labeled Required. Click on this option if you want to make the field mandatory for your audience members. Click on Required again to confirm that this field must be filled out before submission. This ensures that you collect essential information from every audience member. Once all necessary fields are filled, click on Save. This action will store the new field settings and integrate them into your audience profile. After saving, a message will appear confirming that the audience field has been added successfully. This confirmation indicates that your changes have been implemented. Now click on the field that you just created to ensure it's configured correctly. This step allows you to review the settings of the new field. Next, click on the three dots next to the field name. A menu will appear providing options to manage the field you just set up. Finally, click on Delete if you wish to remove the field from your audience. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure about this action before proceeding. And that wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.